How to book a room in a hotel. Good morning. Walk-in hotel here. How can I help you? Hi, I like to do a reservation. You want to make a reservation? What type of room would you like to stay in? Two bedroom. I travel with my friend. Twin room. Let me check. That's fine. What's your arrival date? At Friday? I see. You're going to arrive on Friday. Perfect. Do we have to pay for breakfast? No, the breakfast is included in the price of your room, as well as other facilities such as swimming pool and gym. Wow, that sounded great. Can we pay with card? Yeah, of course, you can pay by card. Yeah, of course, by card. All right, thank you. Thank you so much for choosing walk-in hotel. So now you tell, what type of room do you prefer to stay in? Double room or twin room?